Elon Musk to step down as Twitter CEO in 6 weeks, which is phenomenal. Why? Because man, look, he got AI running the company now. He don't need to be there. He has other things to do. He said the next CEO will be a woman, which I highly doubt. Elon Musk. I mean, actually, it's a really good strategy. You come into a business that's failing, actually fire the people that don't need to be there, strategize everything, come up with a better system, and then hire someone else to step in as a CEO. And that way you can do other things. This is what makes sense, right? Hello. Congratulations, Elon Musk.